Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring a backup UPS 1500. Now, I do own another one, and I like it very much. If you can see this, it was a refurbished. That means they replaced the battery on here. We're going to remove this, taking evidence that they replaced the battery. You can buy them new or used. They're pretty pricey. I mean, we're talking about a couple of $300, $200, depends on the brand that you're buying. Of course, APC is the brand, and they make awesome little devices. Not little, heavy duty devices, as you can see. Now, let's take a look at the back. A couple of things you can do here. Network. If you want to search protect your network, you can do that, but not really going to do that. Cable, coaxial cable, also data ports, you can do that. You got your backup batteries in here. This is all backup, if you guys can see it. This is in your computers, anything that's very important that you want to plug in, routers, modems, and stuff like that. You want to make sure you plug it on this side. Surge. This is not protected. So the power goes down, this goes down. The data protection will give you a couple minutes before you could turn everything off normally, or this is just to, in case there's electrical occurrences that you're not grounded or anything, it's not going to burn anything that's plugged in here. So my advice is, if it's important to you, plug it on this side. If it's not, plug it on this side. That's pretty much what I do. This is a heavy duty device. It will give you a couple, like I said, I'm going to plug it in and see how much data it gives you. There's a little easy to follow. This is the audio power on, and this is the manual button, and basically you menu button and then you enter button on this one. In fact, scroll down, you'll see a little device. We're going to plug it in and see how well it works. First time powering it on, we're going to go ahead and crank it up. On button, and if you can see it, it's bringing on my lights and everything. This is online load. There's no charging, there's no battery charging at all. We're 120 volts right now, and it's going to continue beeping right now, so we're going to kick the beeping off for now. Hold on, there it goes. Get rid of it. Before you connect the APC, you got to make sure you remove the battery and connect it to. I'm going to show you guys in a bit. It's a little side pocket that you just unhook these right here, and it's upside down. If you can see it, there's a connection right there. I'm going to try to see if I can zoom in a little bit more. There's a connection right there, and right now it was on the other side, which is this side, which is nothing in there. If you guys can see, it even tells you right there, lift, stand, and disconnect. So we're gonna go ahead and connect it to the red side, which is this side, and we should start charging battery, right? So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're gonna put it in there. This should be a connection. I kind of dropped it, but it should be valid now. So let's go ahead. It's heavy, that's why I don't want to get my fingers caught. Moving, it's a slider, if you guys can see, and it locks in. And we're in business. Now we're gonna flip it up. All right, so we're gonna crank it up. And you can see battery is fully loaded now, and it's online. So when it was blinking the battery, it's because the battery wasn't connected. But now we have the battery on. You guys can see it. Battery is on. And right now, estimating time, 120 volts. It was 500 minutes. So because I have nothing connected to it. So push the load. We're gonna see the menu. Events, estimating time 166 minutes now that I have everything on. Load 60 watts, 66%, and we're gonna do the out. It's 120, but we could change it under here. You want to see more of what's going out, we're gonna keep it as is, but that's pretty much it. Very simple. Everything came on. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.